Purslane orange salad with ginger. We'll be needing 2 bunches of fresh purslane, washed and chopped in the manner that you see. Chop the bottom of them very small, and then when you go to the head, chop them bigger pieces. Place them in a large glass bowl, and let's do the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Add 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of minced fresh turmeric, and half a teaspoon of minced fresh ginger. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix all together and garnish with pine nuts and pieces of oranges.